Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to speak about one of the most urgent issues facing our planet, climate change. This topic affects every single one of us, no matter where we live or what we do. Picture this: our Earth, a beautiful blue marble floating in space, is running a fever. Just like humans, this planetary fever causes serious consequences. Storms are stronger, temperatures are rising, glaciers are melting, and oceans are expanding. Climate change is not a problem of the future, it is happening now. Hotter summers, colder winters, unusual rainfall, floods, droughts, and wildfires are becoming common. These are real stories of people, animals, and ecosystems struggling to survive. Important vocabulary and phrases: cause greenhouse gases, gases that trap heat in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide (CO), a major greenhouse gas. Methane, a potent greenhouse gas from livestock and waste. Deforestation, cutting down trees on a large scale. Industrialization, the development of industries in a region. Carbon footprint, total greenhouse gases produced by a person, product, or activity. Climate change is mainly caused by human activity. Burning fossil fuels, cutting down forests, and industrial activity all contribute. Every time we drive a car, fly, or waste resources, we worsen the problem. Important vocabulary and phrases: affects rising sea levels, oceans increasing in height due to melting ice. Biodiversity, variety of plants and animals in a habitat. Ecosystem, community of living organisms interacting with their environment. Habitat loss, destruction of natural environments. Extreme weather, unusually severe weather events. Glaciers and ice sheets are melting rapidly. Polar bears lose habitat, coral reefs are dying, and forests, wetlands, and grasslands are affected. Weather is unpredictable. Droughts damage crops, heavy rains cause floods, and wildfires destroy land. Important vocabulary and phrases: human impact, food insecurity, lack of enough safe, nutritious food. Heat waves, periods of extremely hot weather. Dehydration, loss of water in the body. Water scarcity, insufficient water supply. Displaced people, people forced to leave homes due to disasters. Climate change affects humans directly. Heat waves, floods, and storms destroy infrastructure, crops, and livelihoods. Vulnerable communities suffer most. Important vocabulary and phrases: solutions: renewable energy, energy from sources that do not run out. Sustainability, using resources in a way that preserves them. Reforestation, planting trees to restore forests. Conservation, protecting natural resources and habitats. Public awareness, educating people about important issues. Climate change is a human story, caused by activities like burning fossil fuels and deforestation. Hope exists through renewable energy, reforestation, and sustainable actions. Every choice counts in protecting our planet and creating a thriving future.